Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now let's preview where we have left off. We got these two sections done. We need to go open the designer again. Data main. Let's remember the what's the name of this tab? We did 5. Let's go to the code. Let's open fees, self tab widget 5, set current 0. That's what I need. Alright, so let's open the data main designer and let's change. Let's mega. Let's discard. Let's reopen this. Payment. We're gonna have the same thing, I guess. So let's just select these three. Copy, paste that in here. We are gonna have the same payment. And by the way, this payment section, I will recommend for you to just like customize it for your own sake, because all I'm gonna do is to create some combo boxes and just like this, having a button is all we need. So get update, 2 buttons actually, get update, and we are officially done. So all we have to do is make these horizontal layout, these vertical layout, these horizontal layout, them vertical layout with this thing, layout vertically, layout vertical, layout grid. That's all we need. And this is not the this is the fee. I guess this is this. Oh no, this is the status. Status, payment status, of course. This is the fee. This is the status, I guess. This is the student name. So you can change this by, you can customize this for your own sake. So for example, you can have the student as an enrollment number in a line edit or a spin box, and then you can get the student and get all these fees and change them, change whatever you want from them. But I'm just doing it this way because I'm only doing this to preview the whole project, and it's really easy, I guess. Even though, so if the program has a lot of students, you can just get in another combo box and then get the students of one class and move on from there. So it can be a multiple step process. All right, a multiple step process. For example, you can select the class first and then select the student from the class if there is a lot of students, and you can only divide them by classes or sort them by classes. So that's all for this video. Let's close this. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So first let's just review the whole thing. Go into fees, new edit, payment. So we all have this thing. Good. Alright, we are good. We are officially good. So the next step is we are still on the UI, and our next step is to rename every widget, and thus having our own what? Our own naming convention. So assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Take care. It's been 5 minutes. That's a record.